الحمد لله رب العالمين وأصلي وأسلم على المبعوث رحمة للعالمين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. قال الإمام رحمه الله تعالى: الحديث 68 بعد 100، حديث 168 عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: ليس على المسلم في عبده ولا فرسه صدقة، أي زكاة. It's not compulsory upon the Muslim in his slave and his horse زكاة. رواه البخاري ومسلم. وفي لفظ إلا زكاة الفطر في الرقيق، except زكاة الفطر for the slaves. قال والذي مسلم ليس بالعبد صدقة إلا صدقة الفطر. Okay, same meaning. So here the Prophet ﷺ is telling us that every Muslim, he should not, or he has not, it's not compulsory for him, it's not a must, if he owns a slave, 1 or 2 or 3 or 10. And if he owns a horse, it is not a must to pay what? Zakat. Okay. So, how about other than horse? Like a car. Do you pay zakat for your car?
No.
No. You don't pay zakat for the car. Even if it's expensive?
Yes.
$1 million car. No zakat. Okay, I have 3-4 cars. 1 in Pakistan and 2 in Japan, and is it okay?
Personal use.
Personally, I'm not using. Living in Japan, I have 1 car in Pakistan.
Only the one being used.
Huh?
Only the one being used.
All no zakat.
Yes.
As long as you have these cars for your own use. You didn't intend to make it for trading, for business. Once you buy the cars with intention to sell and buy, then this is for what? This is for trading, and here it comes the zakat, it enters with your money and so on. But as long as you have 10 cars, 1 for you, 1 for your, I know many families, every family member has a car. The husband, the wife, the son, the daughter, everyone has a car. Okay, and maybe in another country they have also cars. No zakat. It's exactly like if you have more than 1 property for your own usage, like you have 1 apartment living in Japan and you have 1 apartment in Bangladesh, mashallah. Not 1, maybe 1 in Japan, 3-4 in Bangladesh, 1 for yourself and 1 for your wife, 1 for your children. Okay, so no zakat.
For example, brother.
No zakat. Huh?
You can mention the name brother.
Can you change the intention?
Yes, once you change the intention
Like
for one of these properties that now you want to sell.
No, the opposite.
Opposite.
I intended
To take for business. Okay, then
Then after that, no.
I will keep it for myself or my children.
I will not make any business.
Yes, you will keep it for personal usage.
Then no that.
Then no zakat. If you, for example, sometimes you purchase apartment and your intention that it will go higher and I will sell it after 2-3 years. Then this area became good, I will leave it for my son. He can live here. Khalas. No zakat. In that case, no zakat.
How about the,
No.
sorry Sheikh,
Yes.
how about the, like a classic car that maybe the
Classic?
yes, classic car that maybe the value, classic car.
Car.
Yeah,
Classic
then
car.
maybe the value is increases every year, and he deep down maybe
Okay.
just like a denial and just for not for sale, but in the end,
He's using, right?
nah, not easy.
Okay.
You just keep it.
Yes.
He's buying and keeping it.
But the value is increases every year
Okay.
because it's
It
like
depends
a
on his
classic.
intention, because you know Allah knows
Yeah.
what's inside the heart. He cannot deceive Allah. What is your intention if you are buying this car for yourself
Mm.
and you are saying that this car will increase?
Mm.
No problem.
Mm.
Like I'm not throwing my money in a car that every year will go down and every year will go up. This is very rare cases, but anyhow, no zakat. Unless he has the intention just business.
Mm.
Okay?
Some people buy Rolex. And
Rolex,
Yes.
watch.
Yes.
Okay.
I think that every year is price.
You will use, you will use it, or you will just buy it and keep it.
I don't know. I don't know what's the side intention. I don't know. But probably I don't think about it. But they always say that we are buying
You are,
because
you are asking questions. You don't know.
no, because
the-
I know they said
We are not judging hearts. We are saying what is the case. If someone is buying a Rolex
Yes.
for his own usage, and in his intention that also, in case
I see
I
my
needed
money
money one day,
Yes.
I will sell it with good price. No zakat.
Okay.
It's like the women when they buy
Gold.
Gold.
Oh, use.
and they say, instead of keeping my money, I will go to buy jewelries, gold, and I will use it for myself. I will use it for my husband, with women, whatever. And after some years, if I felt I am having
Shortage.
shortage, I want to sell, I will sell it. This is no zakat. Why? Because she is using, and the intention of personal use is there. So no problem. Only when the intention is pure business, then it comes for zakat from day one. No.